I'm JD, and we got an unboxing of something. What is this inside? All the way from the UK. Let's see what we have here. It says fragile, right? Or fraggle if you can't spell. It opens either this way or the other way. One or the other. Let's see. I think it opens this way. Or does it? Maybe it opens this way. I love the packing that some people do of these boxes. They are simply amazing. Well, we've got some success here with the Fraggle box. Oh my God, I hate these peanuts. They end up everywhere. I think there's something in the middle of the peanuts, so if I could lift this out slowly and not have friggin' peanuts everywhere. What is this? God, I hate these stupid things. People, I don't know why people use these stupid peanuts. Is there any paperwork in here? Nothing. I'm going to send this back to the UK with the peanuts. God, I hate the peanuts. Hate them. Peanut hell. Somebody years ago thought it'd be a great idea just to pack with these peanuts. What do I have here? I just heard a bong. What was that? Any idea what it is yet? Any idea at all? Write your comments. I love comments, by the way. Write your comments down and we'll see what we got here. What did I procure? This was a procurement, not a repair. Unusual for me. It's rare for me to buy anything nowadays that's a watch. Too many watches already, so what would this be? Would this be a remote control for the TV? Probably not. Would this be a... Oh, what's that sound? Sounds like a horror movie. I think you're starting to get the idea of what this is. And what it comes with. You got it, folks. It is a carriage clock. Let's have a look at this beast. Just love these things. The bounce good on it? It is. The glass looks good. The mechanisms, who knows? And there is what I wanted, was that really nice bell. And I think you heard it earlier. So let's wind this up. It came with a key, which is really nice. I'm not going to have the patience to open this up the proper way. It is well packed. This end of the key is for winding. This end of the key is for setting. So just like all carriage clocks, you open the back door and let's have a look. So there it is. The glass seems to be a little bit loose on one side. That's easy to fix. Now, will it wind? One of these is winding and the other one is for the bell. So which one is for which? This feels already pretty tight, so it's probably the bell. This is also pretty tight. I was told that this works, but who knows? That's for setting the time. There it is there. The bell's beautiful. And let me turn this right here. I think this is for setting the time. And there we go. It is ticking, folks. So I'm going to move this to 1 minute to the hour. And let's see if this works. As you can see, we've got pretty good action on the balance. It's 1 minute to the hour. We'll have a look at the make of this in a few seconds. As soon as I get myself a gong. So this carriage clock I bought on eBay, I basically bid on it and won the bid. I was pretty happy about it because I was looking for a carriage clock for a long time that had an alarm, and this gives you a bong, I believe, on the hour and on the half hour. Oh, there it is. That's pretty cool. So that's the carriage clock, and as you can see, it is. See, it says, I think lentement. It's fast and slow. So you turn this, you go left and right to time it. I have a timer I can use. It says France on the bottom right there. But I was told by the listing on eBay what the make of this was. So let me just look that up really quickly. So I'm looking at the data, and it says that this is a 19th century French striking carriage clock by Armand Coulier Ferrez. Coulier is C-O-U-A-I-L-L-E-T. Coulier. Coulier Ferrez, F-R-E-R-E-S. Marked with their trademark arrow back of the movement. It says it features a gilded brass case, as you can see, very nice case, folding carrying handle, beveled glass viewing panels, white enamel Roman dial with spade hands. Let's have a look at that dial. With spade hands. It's actually a very nice dial. It is an 8-day jeweled movement striking on a steel gong. That's the wire that you saw. That's wrapped around in a spiral. It says there's some light case wear, otherwise in good condition, working order, with a key for winding to adjust the time. Strikes on the hour and on the half hour on that steel gong. And that's it. It's about the same size as my Mappin and Webb carriage clock. But this is a Armand Coulier. See if I can pronounce that properly. Ferrer, F-E-R-R-E-S. Ferrez. Maybe Ferrez. Coulier Ferrez. My French is not that good, even though I am French. So there's the bounce. It's working fairly well. I suspect the amplitude is not great. It likely needs servicing. There's a little bit of a chip, I think, in the glass on the left-hand side. Just a minor chip. And I think another one, maybe it's a mark, but another chip on the right-hand side, not too bad. The rest of the panels look pretty good for now. And these things aren't cheap. So I think I paid around $350 Canadian with tax for this, but what a beautiful clock. And it also doesn't ring loud, so I can have this downstairs in the living room, and I can have a gong on the half hour. And my wife will not throw me out of the house for gonging the darn carriage clock. And just to show you the other carriage clock I have, I only have two, and I'm not planning on collecting them, but this one here is running right now, and it's around the same size, which is perfect. This is the footprint I like for a clock, and this one is a Mappin and Webb carriage clock, and it does not have a gong. It is gongless. So this is a much more sought after carriage clock, this one here, because of the gong. So let's turn the time again and see if I can get her to gong. I'll gong it and then I'll turn around to watch it. God, I love that sound. I think if I were to watch the mechanism for the gong, you'd watch it from this side and you'll see one of the components spinning. We'll do it one more time and then that's it. And I will close down this video. You guys can give me comments on this carriage clock, but love this clock. So watch it carefully. You see that spinning on the top? Yeah, most clocks have that butterfly valve or butterfly in there. So this is a bit tight back here. I don't want to force anything. Yeah, the door is a bit tight, but it does close. And I usually keep the key in the clock, but in this case, because it's got the gong, I may not do that. And you just leave it like that. And there's the works. Here are all the gears. I've stripped these down and cleaned them. They're a little bit tricky to take the glass off, but the trick is actually to put rubber bands around the glass, all around the glass, and then when you unscrew the base, just have a look at the base here for a second. You take this plate off, and under there's 4 screws, and you unscrew that, and the whole thing lifts up and out. So it's the best way to clean it. So a little bit of oiling and this thing will go really well. So I'll probably oil it first and clean it later. So that's it. So I'm JD. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this amazing carriage clock video. Amazing. And we'll see you next time.